Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is DIY craft videos signing in, and I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful and very amazing craft work for you guys. These are super stunning craft ideas for your home decor. You use your waste material into new and make most stunning and super amazing and very classy and very beautiful craft work for your home decor. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Hope so guys you like this video, and guys you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very trending and very beautiful and very classy craft work for you guys. You also use your waste bottles and you decorate your waste bottle into new, and you guys decorate your homes with these craft ideas. So guys, hope so guys you like this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys, and I hope so guys you like this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. Always take care guys, always be happy, and remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care, bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.